Let us see what analysis can we perform here. So right click, connect with analysis, right click, and I'll run the analysis. Okay, so what are we seeing here? The status is correct and incorrect. 42 is correct and 42 is incorrect. Totally is 85. So this is what we are seeing here. The status is 50% is yes, and 49.41% is no. That is the output status that we generated for the analysis. I click OK. Now I'm not going into the inferential aspects of this. The objective here is to show you all how to run this and generate a desired output. That apart, which of the analysis can we perform? Let us see if we can run a KDE simulation. But the only concern is it could take slightly longer. So let us avoid it. So again, in summary, this is how you are running the supervised modeling, supervised models. Okay, I'm saving this. Which is this? That is the proliferations, right? That's the proliferation stream file. I'm clicking save. And now let us go to the, because we are running short of time. So let us click on the associations. Instead of association, let us go for the segmentations. Okay. And then we'll see if we can use coherent network or k-means clustering model. I'll use k-means clustering model. So let us do one thing. Let us open the date fruit analysis. Okay. And out here in the output, select and we'll move these guys on that side. Yeah. And also let us add a comment over here. So insert a new comment. So that is for what? That is for the linear. Which one was that? Wait, that was for the automatic linear modeling. Automatic linear modeling analysis. Automatic linear. So that is the comment that we have for this particular section. So I'm separating this particular section from the second section that I'm looking at. Let us check on pistachio also. Okay, pistachio is not much of a problem. And proliferation also, it's not a problem. Right. So on the data, on the date fruits analysis, what I'm doing is I'll attach a k-means model and see how it comes up. I'm not too sure this will do great, but let's right click and click connect. Right click, edit, and we need to assign the fields. That is the most important part. So let's take custom field segmentation assignments. Okay, we have we have healthy counts. So let's click eccentricity, solidity, roundness, and compactness. I click apply, I click OK. And the partition, well, let us have it as per class. What is a model? Well, the model name will have to be generated automatically, and so far it is always generated to our satisfaction. So I'm not assigning any model name over there. Using a simple node with nothing on the annotations. Click apply and I click OK. And let's see what happens if I click on run. Great, it's running something. Yes, now it did generate a nugget. So now let's right click on that and view from run from here. Oh no, it will not. Sorry. So fine. Let's click on view data or preview for that matter. That's not what I'm looking for. Right click and yes, no, that's the output that it is. No, it's not the output that it's showing. It's the same thing. Okay, let me close that. Okay, let's put it over here. So that is how you run the segmentation output. Right click and let's click on run from here. There's nothing out here, right? Okay. Let us attach an output node to that. So I'm connecting analysis over here. Right click and connect. Now I'll run this node. Oh wait, let us run the analysis. Right click, run. There is no matching pair, is it? Target and predictor. Let's right click on this and edit it. Okay, instead of taking an analysis, I'll pick some other output. Let us go for transform. Right click and connect it. Right click on this and I click run. Okay, no fields have been specified. Yes, we have not specified any fields. So right click on that. Let's click on edit. Fields. Which fields have we? Eccentricity, solidity, roundness, and compactness. Apply, click OK, apply, and I click OK again. So there are 4 fields out here. Okay, and for the k-means analysis, we are running these 4 fields. So I'm right clicking on the 4 fields for this and click run. Exactly. So that is the output that got generated for all the 4 fields and their respective distributions. So if I click on file, let's save this. That's the transform for eccentricity. Let's see output file that we have. So I'm going to save that. Also going to save this particular stream, which is okay. We already saved it. And let's insert a comment. Okay, the stream markup, right? Okay. So right. So what is this about? Yeah, that's about segmentation modeling. Segmentation modeling analysis. Can it rotate? I'm not sure if this rotates. I'll be happy if I can. There does not appear to be any function on that. Okay, but okay, we'll put it over here only. Fine. So with this particular data set, what we did is we conducted 2 separate analyses. One was for the automatic linear modeling, and then the which was wait, this was for oh not super. This was for supervised. Yes. It's in bracket. This is segmentation modeling analysis that was here. Into bracket I'll mention which analysis did we perform. That was for k-means. K-means is widely used for market research and all that when it comes to customer segmentation and things like that. So this is for this analysis is for this particular stream, and this analysis is for this particular stream.